let's talk about the E prefix, right? E. Continuing again. E is representative of the on or the a again, okay? But in this case, let's talk about transitivity with the E because E applies to ditransitive verbs, right? Ditransitive verbs, whereas the on and a endings applied to the transitive verbs. And E applies to just both on and a. So if we look at ditransitive verbs, they have a different form. They take E, and E is the same as your on and a. They just take E in the ditransitive form. So whatever the definitions were for on and a takes E as the same way, right? And just to review, right, with E, it's similar again with the on and a. It's in that it expresses in the immediate action, the absoluteness, right? Incomplete action, so you're anticipating something, and then also the imperative, which is really important because this makes it easier to just have E as functioning as everything, including the imperative. For ditransitivity, though, because with language change, this might not apply anymore, all right? Ditransitive verbs. E may not apply just only to ditransitive verbs because of like recent changes with this language and how this language is evolving, all right? So if people don't use E on ditransitive verbs, don't fret, don't freak out, okay? Because again, like this language is changing, things are changing. So this is kind of becoming a long lost thing. And the use of on, a, and e can kind of mix between transitive and ditransitive, right? So they kind of shuffle in between, right? They kind of trade. And the distinction between transitive and ditransitive verbs and their usage of these three affixes might actually be gone, or it's starting to disappear. So people are just using whichever one for this object focus kind of situation, right? All right, and here are three examples. It's going to be a quick video, right? So the first sentence is, itudlo nato sa mga bata ang dula. Okay? Itudlo nato sa mga bata ang dula. All right, itudlo, right? It translates to, we will teach the kids the game, right? Or, yeah, we'll teach the kids the game. Remember, sa mga bata ang dula, right? Ang dula is our object here, the game. Next one is, ihatag nila ang gasa, or you can use regalo, right? Regalo. Ihatag nila ang regalo ni Mirna kang Sofia. So, ihatag nila ang gasa ni Mirna kang Sofia. So, Mirna, they gave Mirna's present or gift to Sophia, right? And again, kang because it's a proper noun. Isulat na ang imong tubag, right? Isulat na ang imong tubag. This one is in the imperative form, right? Write down your answer now. Write down your answer now. And that's pretty much it for using E. Again, it expresses on and a and the imperative, all of that, right?